Hey everyone, today I'm gonna present my presentation. Is Evolution Mining Limited findings and recommendations. The objective of the assessment is providing report on finding on Evolution Mining from previous assessment and suggest recommendation based on those finding and research. A background of the company has been provided at the starting of the presentations, followed by their goals and vision. Some key issues such as social responsibility, safety and health, climate related risk, emissions and energy and environmental performance standard as introduced after the current strategy. In the end of the finding and recommendations is providing followed by the conclusion. The project has a objective of maximum evolution mining profits and also help companies in it assessed mix and handling policy for the next 10 years and help companies in their commitments to environmental and social obligations by following group recommendations of investing and owning more mines in Africa and partnership and investment in robots. Communication objectives. The communication objective for the project for keep stakeholders informed of the project timeline, budget, and project needs will provided clear insight into any decision needed roadblocks that might happen. The budget is 25,000 for the whole the project. Evolution, Evolution Mining Limited. Evolution Mining is publicly trade company held locally, driving a revenue for the discovery, growth, processing, and selling concentrated gold and gold copper. They had around 1,330 people employed in Australia. All also listed ASX under code AVN. Founder Jack Calvin announced that executive chairman turned successfully into the initial resources for evolution mining at Mount Cotton into the into one of the highest grade open pit gold mines worldwide. Goal become to become a global leader in low cost gold production. Vision to inspire people by creating premier global mid-tier gold companies and sustainable business that proper throughout the cycles by growing into a globally relevant mid-tier gold producer. Current strategy: developing reputation for sustainability, reliability, and transparency. Embed finance discipline across the company. Portfolio 2628 assessed with an average 10-year mine life to produce superior return to a shareholder. An active pipeline of quality project for exploration and development. And open of all the assets with improved value of gold quality, silver and copper gold. For transmission management plan, the company used different roads in which only their vehicles and streets the named out designed to such suit each activity in each vehicle's delivery. The companies make sure that each employee adheres to the use of each road which has been assigned to their operation. This plan also helped in reducing traffic. If the vehicles conveying resources from the mine use similar vehicular have highway, it will have an impact on the environment. More emissions will be released. Key issue: we conducted research and analysis of the company by using various tools such as SWOT analysis, Porter 5 forces pastel analysis, and he found following key issues. Social responsibility: EVN believes creating shareholder value of a stakeholder. The company makes significantly donation and contribution to local, regional, and national economies. Safety and health: AVN is committed to provide good and safe working conditions in their workplace for all personnel to make sure there is no injury of risk to their workers. Climate risk, climate related risk, emission and energy. AVN is committed managing the effect on their business, and also reducing the impact they have been contributing to the environment due to their emissions. EVN has employed of the idea and transparently reporting energy consumption, performance, and even the water usage rate. Environment performance standard. EVN has standard which consist of 8 areas: air equality, biodiversity, and rehabilitation of mine and mine closure, resources efficiency and emission reduces, tailing storage facilities, waste rock or ORE or and water. That might be we risk the operations in 5 FY19 ENV reported zero catastrophic or significant environment incidents. Findings. EVN is a significant player of Australian gold mining industry. EVN acquired Red Lake, Ontario, making them having an international mine. Even in a public company which is listed on the ASX and offer generated public the chance of getting their shares. With this, the company makes more money and can also add more. It assists mix and heading policy. EVN is committed environment sustainability. Evolution Mining is facing the compliance issues, committed to safety, health, and well-being for their employees. Recommendations. The following recommendations will help keep the mix and hedging policy while being committed to environment and social obligation for the next 10 years. Investing and owning more mines in Africa. Africa is home of the best and fascinating mines in the world. Africa mining. This place is one of the best place in which the company can invest and get more for their capital, and also it will help in a heading policy. The cost of mining in Africa is cheaper and cost effective when compared in Australia and Canada. If Evolution Mining can invest in Africa, the company will be hedging policy that will help if the cost of production in Australia or Canada are not favorable of the company. Benefit. The cost of production and labor is cheaper. The company can invest in solar panel most of for their machinery. It will help company in staying committed to environment and social obligations. Less emissions will taking place and help in climate changes. Partnership and investment in robots. The company should start using robot and underground mines. Technology is evolving each day, and robots are taking over most of the human jobs are also capable of doing. If the company can invest is designing robots that they are capable of identifying, digging, and operating their mines. It will save Evolution the stress of putting and strict health and safety product in a place in their other project and employees. The company can partner with companies like Canvas Technology, Boston Dynamic, and Diligent Robotic in the other to help them design. All robots can be help useful and efficient in the morning operation. Benefit. Saving money, it will protect the safeguard and employees as well, and increase the company operation product. Also, partnership is a easier way to organization branch and offices all around the world. I have created a timeline has also been conducted and implements these recommendations. Providing training and development of employees to adopt new technology. The budget is 800 to 1200. Improving heading strategy. The budget is 400 to 800. Analyzing for partnership and investing in others mines in Africa, 50,000 to 20,000. improving communications and strategy. The budget is $1,400 to $800. And I have also make a project task sheet. You can see the project task sheet here. Is a budget plan for the project, risk management, financial and technical competence. Finally, in the conclusion, after carefully examination of the objective problems and opportunities of evolution mining, we have used all the modules reading to provide recommendations. After analyzing the market trend and combining it with the client brief, we provided into recommendations in the assignment. Firstly, there are an opportunity to invest in more mines in Africa, as Africa is one of the best mines in the world. We develop a hedging policy that will help if the cost production is not favorable or to the company. Secondly, we are recommending to invest in technology such as robots of minimize labor work, reducing the value of production. To implement these recommendations, a timeline has been provided. The budget has been kept between $24,000 to 25,000. In the end measurement, KPI has been mentioned to ensure the necessary step has been taken to achieve the goals. By implementing these strategies, we can develop a more useful idea operating a green environment. Thank you. Here's the references. Thank you guys.